I think I'm getting allergic reactions.
Hello. Oo ka na, di ba? So guys, mag-hike mi ka ng Mika, si Viv, Sari, at Asi. Si Jack tulog. Si yun niya, tuming pangutan, and we'll be with the BNs. Alright.
Oh no.
Is it recording?
Hello? You recording?
Yeah.
So, guys, this is us before the hike. And hopefully, when we go back, we will still look the same. Not
Yeah.
like
Have to look fresh.
like you know, like we still have to look fresh and yeah. So this is us before the hike. See you there. Ah, okay.
Para nakabox man na siya. Kaya ugyan ni mo. Magana mga viewers.
Hello guys. So right now we're kapila na ni
Going
Kati.
down right now.
Ate Ina is reserving her energy. She needs her energy. And we're going up. Diba, Teens?
Yeah.
Sorry, guys. So, back to vlogging again. And, gang. Isn't it?
Isn't it what?
I don't know what to say. But there are a lot of people today because it's Good Friday. And,
Yeah.
okay. Aka ni good. Magkamang nagagawan ni.
Lumaki siya sa utang.
Hulo, grabe po doon na pasoy. Do.
Grabe, dako kayo ka mo. Pwede ka maghanap eh, butang na ako ni isa doon.
Agoy. Hulo.
Lah, kalsada na lagi na diha.
Ay, wait. Oh, this is like the con, diba? Pas, unsa kayo siya, Pas? Here?
Siminto.
Ah, diba? Sus? Is it?
So mag-descend na ta, careful mo sa kwan. Okay. Kuya Riv, pwede mo in between the ladies para maka-assist ta if ever maglisod sila.
Lagi.
Careful diri ha kay imong shoes.
Yes, Pas.
Ask ka ganina, nganong need og ay kuya, in between mo sa mga ladies para na maka-assist sa inyo. Oo.
Bye. Oh my gosh. Uy.
Careful.
Wait lang. Uy.
Nag-ano ka, nag-giveaway na ka sa gravity.
Bala nagbabundak basta di lang mahog.
Up. Is this what you want?
Ay. Yes.
Ako ba? In between lang mo guys para mga tabangonon. Troman po di ay. Ate, i-refill na lang na sa kuha ni imong tubig para share na lang ta pero kay dalon. So antay basura 100 dito na lang dito na.
Gigi.
Para mabili nito.
Lord. Uy, Lord.
First name mo?
Yo, Converse.
Kung unsay pwede masulod niyo sa bag para hands-free mo, isulod niyo sa bag.
Say no molas. No molas.
No one should be in the last. No one last.
Wala molas.
Always first.
Hey.
Okay.
Hello.
POV shot, guys.
Okay na?
How are you, Sadie?
Okay na
Good.
ba guys?
Hapit ko na slide ganina.
Sige nabi, ang sa tong two English words that we should know.
Yes.
Pas, murag wala lagi ko anak, pas.
Moving on.
Nakapon sa conference, wala.
Wala.
Yes, here.
I wasn't notified.
Naka sa GC.
Wala. Murag i-add ba ko ni Pas.
Sa GC daw, sa spa? Naka sa
I think nana ni
No, they
Pajagin-jagin to, kapoy.
wala. Pachuchoy lang sa capturing naman. Thank you. Sheesh. Tour guide na to. So, maraming tourist ron. Skitos tiyan boy. Ano? Nihawa na siya. Padayon lang mo. Lain ako lakaw. Mangita ka sa love life ron.
You don't like being 20?
It's gonna be 19 minus 1.
No, that's okay, cool. What's your birthday, Rico?
December 6th.
Mm.
It's not like it's
Yeah,
not
yeah, it's not.
historically
It's like
accurate.
it's summer.
Yeah.
No, it's not.
Ay,
Yeah,
no.
it's summer.
If he was
Like
born
it's
in
March or
winter,
something,
Mangod,
April.
it's kuon.
Yeah.
If he was born in the winter, he wouldn't be able
Yeah.
to be...
Actually, that concept of it's like very westernized.
But
Like
Easter, is it historically accurate or no?
morning.
How are
Buntag. Yeah, we're good. We're just out of breath, but we're good.
Ay, unan. The day of...
Tap ba Amordino mag-ano lang tadi ta magkaon dito.
I wanna buy
Hello. Buntag. Family. No. Hindu to na no mo gyud ang pangandoy bay kada bitong na kay baby nga carrier nimo nya hike ka. Bugatan nimo. Gilabay. One little two.
L3, L4.
Little five, little... Sa sunod?
Little in Jan.
Little in...
Jan. 6. Little 7.
7, little Indian. Little...
The last man standing, sir.
We're out to nature, guys. And... I don't know... is this like... I don't know how many trails we passed, but I think this is the last trail. And we're about to exit the forest. Forest. Yeah. But anyways, see you guys there down. Bye. Yeah, okay pa ta?
So you're under the tree.
Yeah.
Okay pa?
If, let's say for example,
Okay. Okay, pwede ay. Si Pass BC. So, okay pa ta? And you can hear the nature's music.
20 mimigo.
Chululot.
Lululot. Ikaw pa'y nasa.
Pwesto tay
Ato ko babaw.
sa
Spartan.
Spartan. Diri ka sa katong na mga gabliga bananakyo.
Oh.
O sa exit. Ano ni ang ultimate trail hack. Bring an umbrella. Padayon. Whew. All right, arrive.
Let's see.
Oh, this is Mount Krakatoa.
Sa slab house.
Guys, cheers. Para sa victory na to. Cheers everyone, cheers.
Layuan ni sabi, oh.
So pito mi ganina nagsugod. Karon upat na lang. At yun na nga, nawala. Mag dito pa. Nabi, sumpay ba ni? Asa daw eh? Where's the train? Ala. Feeling ako, di mo ako magiagian. Pero, if it leads to it, then so be it. You see that there? Mana atong sudlan. Jericho.
I think I'm getting allergic reactions.
Hello.
Yeah, it's getting red.
Allergic reaction sa tanong?
Plants? Yeah, maybe.
Oh no.
It's fine, I can walk it
Oh,
off.
na daw.
Okay na.
Really? You sure?
Probably.
Tita Mau, she has like antihistamine.
Tita Ma was there.
Yeah. Jericho, Jericho. Jericho. I like the trail because it really builds a character. So your character after a trail is you are dark.